Nestled amidst the tropical beauty of Suan Phak district lies MIT Chit House, a modern marvel that seamlessly blends with its natural surroundings. This stunning expansion, occupying 350 sqm of a 420 sqm property, tells a story of both seclusion and connection. Its name, MIT Chit, holds a double meaning, close together and close friendship. This reflects the house's dual purpose, existing both as a separate entity and a bridge connecting the original house to the new. Architecturally, MIT Chit House is a masterpiece of geometric manipulation. Its exterior boasts a modern, almost futuristic aesthetic, achieved through the precise placement of L-shaped pieces that combine into a cohesive whole. Stepping inside, we encounter a stark contrast. The interior embraces simplicity, with wide open spaces and minimal materials, creating a sense of familiarity and warmth. This juxtaposition between the exterior's complexity and the interior's serenity offers a unique and captivating experience from every angle. Walls built with passive design principles keep the interior cool and frame stunning views of the surrounding greenery, further blurring the lines between the house and its natural haven. For miniature courtyards, strategically placed at the heart of the house, provide pockets of tranquility and natural light. The open-plan living and dining area fosters a sense of togetherness, while the double-height living room seamlessly connects with the second-floor den. This open design ensures that even when family members are spread across different floors, they still feel connected. The den, situated at the intersection of the old and new houses, serves as a symbol of unity, allowing parents to easily access their children's spaces. Finally, the third floor houses the bedrooms, each offering breathtaking views of the private gardens on either side. Here, amidst the lush greenery, the feeling of seclusion comes full circle, providing a peaceful retreat for each family member. MIT Chit House is more than just a stunning architectural marvel. It's a testament to the power of design in fostering both connection and tranquility within a family. As the sun sets, casting a warm glow on MIT Chit House, one can't help but appreciate the harmony it achieves between modern design and the beauty of nature, ultimately creating a space that truly embodies the spirit of close friendship.